Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Azure Active Directory B2C. So first we need to understand what is Azure Active Directory B2C. Azure Active Directory B2C provides a business to customer identity as a service. Your customer uses their preferred social, enterprise, or local account identity to get single sign-on access to your application and APIs. So in this diagram, what you can see one side is customers, another side is business, and in customer side you can see this social IDs, email, local account. You have various Google, Amazon, Facebook, LinkedIn, many more. And similar to Flow, you can see business and government IDs, where let's suppose your customer have business or government IDs, and for that it also support. So in mid section you can see it supports securely authenticate your customers using their preferred identity provider. It may be anything, and capture the login preference and conversion data for customers, and provide branded white label and registration and login experience. Means you can customize your login page basis on your business need, and with some background images or keep login logo or various other themes you can provide on the custom login page. Okay, so branding can be done here for your applications. And then business side you can see apps and APIs. Okay, and then it also support the analytic services and integration with other systems. Okay, so this is all about Azure Active Directory B2C, and it also it is a customer identity access management solution, have various capability of supporting millions of customers and millions of authentications per day. So authentication plus authorization, it also provides the authorization mechanism for authenticated users. So that is all. Now coming to next, yeah. So here in next you can see why Azure Active Directory B2C. So basically why it, because it supports cloud identity access management solution for web and mobile application, supports open standards, OpenID Connect, SAML authentications, Auth 2.0 also, and supports the various identity providers for authentication, basically local account, social account, socials, IDs, IDPs, basically Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, many more. Also, Azure Active Directory integrations, Azure AD acts as an OpenID provider, and then custom IDs using OpenID or SAML 2.0. And then next is high level features includes self registration, sign up, sign in, profile editing, self service password reset, also multi-factor authentication is allowed, single sign-on, also customer attributes, custom attributes where you can mention various custom attributes also, and meet security, scalability and compliance needs also. Scales 100 of million customers. And then customization, yes, you can do the branding, you can do login branding and application branding. And then yes, identity experience framework, extensible policy framework is a great feature of B2C service. Important note here is Active Directory B2C has a free tier up to 50,000 users per month or 50,000 authentications per month, which you can use for testing purpose basically, or your business purpose also, business use also. Every month 50,000 user per month and 50,000 authentications per month. So coming to next, um, some basic solution architecture of Azure Active Directory B2C. So when users try to hit, then it redirect to sign in page basically, where users can enter their user ID and password, and then AD create a token for that user and return back to the browser basically. And then with that token, the user sends request to web app, okay, APIs, and then on web website its authentication happens, and then it to handshake, and it's okay, then it's allowed to proceed further, right? So now coming to next here, so this one is third party verification and proofing basically. So this is where progressive customer basically, it is used for progressive customers. So this is one process where you can follow this process basically. Let's suppose users, we have mobile user and we receiving some, so first we need to follow this registration process. We receive some information and you want some validation or verification with third party. Okay, so it verify, it allow to do the validation or verification of third party and then validate the identity with the third party. That is called third party identity proofing. Okay, and then it in this way it complete this registration process, and then Azure Active Directory B2C user is created and access is assigned, and that access is also approved and written back to the your user login. Okay, so that is kind of third party identity verification and proofing process, which is supported by AD B2C, Active Directory B2C. And the next one is yes, if we want to implement this Azure Active Directory B2C service, then what we need to do basically. So these are the here some set of steps. First you need to create a B2C tenant, and then register your web application, and then third point is create user flows basically, sign up, sign in flow, profile editing flow, password reset flow. And then for test user flow is something, there are some sort of prerequisite. We should have a valid email with that will be used for use in sign up flow basically. I have created one test user with gmail.com, and that will be used for sign up flow. And then user flow, what you need to do, sign up, sign in, profile editing and password reset. Okay, so this is one some set of steps which you need to perform. And then coming to the create B2C tenant, which you need to, what you need for that before creating B2C tenant. First, you need to create a B2C admin user. So when I have this created the Gmail account, I have created with Gmail account, I'm creating B2C admin, then admin would be created with this @gmail dot on microsoft.com. Okay, that is something you can, and then provide the role to B2C admin user. What role is needed? Global administrator, subscription owner. You need to give these two roles to that user. And then what I noticed basically, administrator with which we create B2C tenant get created into the B2C tenant link Active Directory. So what you need to do, log out and log in as a B2C admin which you created earlier. Okay, and before creating B2C tenant, then create B2C tenant, and also at the end link an existing Azure Active Directory B2C tenant to your Azure subscription basically. So once tenant B2C tenant is created, then you can link that tenant with Azure Active Directory subscription, with your subscription. So that is all as part of a readiness about Azure Active Directory B2C. What is B2C? Why we need it? what is this basic solution architecture of B2C, and what this third party identity verification, and then you need to what are the prerequisites needed for creating B2C tenant, and after creating you need to link that to the subscription. So that is all about this video. In next video I'll show you how to create B2C tenant practically. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.